My favorite tech channels: Austin Evans, Front Page Tech, Hardware Canats, iJusting, Linus Tech Tips, featured videos of the same product unboxing earlier this week. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute, a $700 vacuum cleaner. That begs the question, who pays $700 for a vacuum cleaner? My name is C.D. Reimer, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. It's not unusual for tech channels to release similar unboxing videos on the same day. Dyson sponsored these YouTube videos as part of a larger campaign to get the word out about the newest vacuum cleaner arriving at stores on Tuesday, March 13th, 2018. A $700 cordless vacuum cleaner that hangs off your wall like a glorified Black & Decker dustbuster wasn't something that most viewers of these tech channels expected. From reading the comments of each video, viewers were perplexed by the simultaneous multi-channel product unboxing. If you haven't seen any of these videos, check out my playlists in the card above or in the description below. Seriously, $700 for a vacuum cleaner. $700 is 70% of the price for an Apple X. $700 can buy you a dozen Amazon Echoes to stash around the house and freak you out when Alexa does the evil laugh behind your back. $700 can get you hookers and blow. Not that I have any personal experience with hookers and blow, being a 48-year-old virgin who lives a modest, drug-free lifestyle. Remember what Nancy Reagan said in the 1980s? Just say no to $700 vacuum cleaners. While Dyson may produce bleeding-edge tech that sucks by design, a $25 vacuum cleaner can do the same job just as well. For 10 years, I used a dustbuster to vacuum my 475 square feet studio apartment. When the dustbuster died 2 years ago, I replaced it with a Dirt Devil stick vacuum cleaner. I got the vacuum cleaners for less than $25 each. For someone that stays in your hallway closet all the time, $700 is too much for bragging rights on a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner should suck up your dirt and not your money. Please leave a comment if you're planning to buy a new vacuum cleaner, and if so, how much are you going to pay for it? Thank you for watching.